Good afternoon, everyone. So I am in Spain, and this is Torrevieja. So we are in the southern part of the country, and this is the Mediterranean Sea. And today is December the 29th, 2021. Well, as you can see, the climate is very mild here. Looks like spring, with people walking up and down the street. As you can see, these palm trees are typical of LA, California. And the climate is, I think, warmer than LA. Well, here in Torrevieja, I can say that, of course, it's very quiet and life is very easygoing. Here, houses don't have a heating system, so it means that, well, if you don't have a heating system, it means that you don't need it. Of course, you have aircon. That means in summertime must be pretty hot here, just as hot as hell, of course. Well, there are a lot of people from Russia. You can hear people speaking Russian all the time. It looks like Miami, where a lot of people speak Spanish. Here, a lot of people speak Russian. And they come here, well, because I don't know. The climate is the main reason. And also, the cost of living is pretty affordable. And there is no bureaucracy and high taxes, just like Italy, for example. But in Italy, believe me, well, most in northern and central Italy, the climate in this time of the year is not like this. Well, I said there are a lot of people from Russia here, but people come from Northern Europe, Scandinavia, Sweden, Finland, and of course Germany and France. Yeah, they were speaking French. Well, it's I don't know if it's a paradise. It's like the Canary Islands. But as you can see, people are on the beach and they are in the water. Yeah, the temperature today is 22. At this moment, 21. The water is not so deep, so it means that it gets warm very quickly. And people are enjoying the sunshine. and it's 4 p.m. The sunset is at 5:30 p.m. Well, you get 5:30 also in tropical cities like Fortaleza, Brazil. And just take a look. Well, Torrevieja is not far from Alicante, and this is part of the Valenciana region. As you may know, Valencia is the birthplace of paella. Paella can be considered as Spain's most important and famous dish. Yeah, that's rice with seafood. And here we have street artists playing the accordion. Take a look at the beach, very beautiful. Well, the buildings are disappointing. Well, I mean, you have no privacy. You have people just watching you very close. You know, windows are not so far from each other. But whatever. That's a beautiful sea, of course. Just take a look. Beautiful. Well, my first impression about this place is the fact that it's very livable. So you don't have high crime rates like, for example, in South America, or bad situations in terms of healthcare services and stuff like that. Well, the beach is not overcrowded, but you can see a lot of people. Not many people, not few people, but a lot of people. Well, some people say they are from Northern Europe. They are used to cold temperatures. Well, I don't know. I should try. Just take a look. That's amazing. Looks like, I don't want to say September in Italy. I mean August in Italy, but surely September. And people are enjoying a drink or late lunch or early dinner by the beach in December, late December. Yeah, I like the sandy beach. The thing about Tenerife is that they have black beaches. Yeah, they are also good, but I prefer sandy beaches like this one. That's great. As I said before, if you understand Russian, I told you. People come from different places in Europe and North Africa. I think that the sunset must be really, really awesome. As you can see, there's way to go for sunset. Yeah, that's a great way to spend Christmas break in Europe. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a like, drop me a comment, and I'll see you in my next video.